So here we are at NAB 2024. We're with Brad at Sound Devices. Can you tell me what you're excited about here?
Yes, thank you, Carlo. So today we're showing off our new version 10 for our 8 series mixer recorders. This is something which has been in the works for quite some time now, and there's a lot of requests that we've had from users. One of the main ones being daylight mode. This has been asked for a number of months, so we've finally got a white screen version daylight mode, so you can see this even with sunglasses on in bright sunlight. This also brings 32-bit float to our 8 series, so we can have 32-bit float on the inputs as well. Again, a feature request we've had for a long time. And we've also going to bring into the SD remote app a full routing matrix, so you can have a visual routing matrix available, so it's not just done through the screen. With this also comes some other routing options, so you can have a live feed going even when you're doing playback, so that's not interrupted as it was in the previous generations. The other thing we'll be talking about as well is our new wireless products. Should we move over there?
Sure.
This is all of our new wireless products, but for this I'll hand over to Gary, who's our RF guru, expert, legend.
Excellent.
So yeah, the product we're announcing at the show here is the Super Nexus. This is a 16-channel wireless receiver. It's expandable to 32 channels. It's built on our Nexus platform, where it tunes from 169 meg to 1525, so very, very wide tuning range. And within that tuning range, you're going to select something we call a tuning band. So that's 24 meg. The 24 meg tuning band gives you good filtering, trying clean, wide spectrum to fit into that tuning band. If you look at the Nexus already, that's a single tuning band. This does 3 different tuning bands, so you have a total of 72 meg of tunable range. So that's why we have 6 different RF inputs. We have a ton of different ways that we can configure those RF inputs. We can do different frequency ranges for each one. We can combine antennas so that we feed 4 or 6 antennas to a single tuning band. So you can see on the display here that we've got, in this case, 6 antennas feeding this receiver. So you've got a lot of ways you can make that a very robust RF coverage for your system. We've got NexLink remote control, so we can talk to our wireless transmitters via NexLink. So what that means is, for me, if I've selected a tuning band, in this case we're operating in 650 meg or so, I have control over the transmitter, so I can just click here, drag it over, and move my frequency easily if I needed to avoid any interfering signals. Do you see the transmitters yet? The Mini. So A20 Mini with a battery doubler, an A20 TX, and then the A20 handheld. 3 different transmitter options with the system, and they all tune at least 470 to 1525. The large, full-size body pack transmitter will do VHF 169 meg all the way up to 1525 meg.
Incredible.
Yeah, I know it's a lot. Questions about all of that stuff?
Amazing. What is your secret to making such high quality things?
That's a great question. I think, the Sound Devices is a very engineering-driven company. We're based in Wisconsin. I'm in an office in Madison, Wisconsin, with a good portion of our engineering team. We've got some other engineers over in the UK, and then we've got manufacturing facilities that are close to both those locations. So, for instance, this is made in Reedsburg, Wisconsin. The transmitter is made in Scotland, which is near our other RF engineering facility near London. So just kind of tightly integrating all that, having the engineers who are involved in designing it be able to also be involved in the manufacturing process, and understanding how these products are used, I think really helps with the overall quality of it. I think Sound Devices, over the 25-year history of the company, has a reputation for making very rugged products that are kind of good problem solvers for people. Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for making high quality products. Thank you so much, Gary.
Yeah, thanks.